Hello and welcome to the Stronghold Digital Mining Daily Update. Today is Monday, May 1st, 2023. So our stock price closed below $1 a share. The entire Bitcoin mining complex got demolished today. The good news is towards the end of the trading session, our shares did start to kind of pick back up a little bit. So we'll have to see what happens in the days ahead. The price of Bitcoin itself kind of drifted lower, closer to $27,000 a coin. So that might help explain what, sort of transpired throughout again, the entire Bitcoin mining complex, not just with shares of Stronghold Digital Mining. So I wanted to go over the month of April. I've got some data here in terms of some averages. So for the PJM-PN portion of the grid, which is where our Scrubgrass power plant is located, average grid prices were $27.05 during the month of April 2023. And of course, that's the month that just ended. PJM-PN, which is where our Panther Creek power plant is located, average grid prices during the month of April, $23.33. By contrast, Bitcoin priced in dollars per megawatt hour, on average, $84.38. $84.38. So the spread between where grid prices on average, hovered for both PJM-PN and PJM-PN, say the mid-20s, okay? And by contrast, Bitcoin priced in dollars per megawatt hour, on average, roughly in the mid-80s, right? Around $85 a megawatt hour. So during moments during the day when we might have elected to import power from the grid at either Scrubgrass or alternatively Panther Creek, on average, it would seem as if though the opportunity truly existed to capture some incredible margin. But even if, worst case scenario, so to speak, let's just say we were producing electricity ourselves, not importing any electricity whatsoever from the PJM grid, as we've been guiding right for Q1 2023, the goal is to have a net cost of power of between $45 and $50 a megawatt hour. So let's just say we were at the upper end of that range at, say, $50 a megawatt hour. That still, on average, represents a really, really nice spread, right, between a net cost of power of $50 and Bitcoin priced in dollars per megawatt hour of about $85. So that being said, things, I think all in all, for the month of April went very well. We're going to be getting some additional context and color as it relates to how things are going right now during Q2 2023 when we have our Q1 2023 investor presentation, which is scheduled for May 11th at 11 o'clock in the morning. So let's see what happens between now and May 11th. Let's see if our stock price kind of gets its footing back. Maybe it drifts up closer to $1 again, but right, we never know from day to day, and we are, for better or for worse, sometimes very correlated with the price of Bitcoin. I think it's just going to take that catalytic event to kind of just get us out and over $1 a share on a more permanent basis. And then sure, we can drift up and down a bit with the price of Bitcoin, but I do think we need a little bit more of a reset to just get us permanently over $1 a share. And I'm looking forward to that, and I'm sure you are as well. Okay, let's be positive, let's stay great, and I'll see you tomorrow.